how to turn off dark mode on Exness. So if you want to learn how to turn off dark mode in your Exness mobile app, you follow the steps in this video. So now once you open the app, this way, you now proceed to the profile icon. As you can see, the feature of the app is dark, totally dark. So now you proceed to your profile icon. So now once you click on your profile icon, you click at the settings at the top. Then you now proceed to appearance. So under this appearance, you now put always light. So as you can see, you succeeded in to search to turn off dark mode on your Exness account. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.